You've got a question for Suzie?
Yes.
All right.
Have you always been interested in physics and space?
I have actually, but when I was your age, I really wanted to be an explorer. I wanted to go to the South Pole. But actually, as I grew up, I became more interested in physics. And it turns out being an astronaut is a bit like being an explorer in space.
What do space rockets in the future do you think they would look like?
Well, I think that actually space rockets are going in different directions now. So we're going to start launching lots and lots of really little spacecraft without any people on them.
Like this big?
Like this big. Yeah.
That's like tiny, right?
Tiny ones. And they're going to go around the Earth all the time. That it's going to do things like take photographs of the Earth's surface for us and give us the internet whenever we need it. But also we're launching a spaceship that's going all the way to the planet Mercury. And it's going to take 7 years to get there. It's built by the European Space Agency and the Japanese Space Agency, and it's going to look at much more detail at Mercury. And the instrument that we built is going to tell us what it's made of. We don't even really know in detail what it's made of. But also we're doing things like developing a spaceport where we can launch spaceships from the UK. So there's lots of exciting things coming up in the UK in terms of space travel and space exploration.
When you go to space, do you think you'll find aliens?
That's a great question. I think there's so many billions of stars and planets in the universe. There's probably life on one of those other planets. Do you think aliens exist?
Yes.
And what do you think they look like?
I think they could be like mini human aliens, but their skin would be all pasty and green and like
Oh,
slime.
Interesting. Lots of slime there. I like
Yeah,
it.
slime.